How you doing, team? So right now you're looking at my crypto account, my Coinbase. So if I click here, home, this is Coinbase account. Okay, it says 21,000 now because I loaded it up because I would like to buy some more of this coin that's called Alchemy Pay. Okay, as you can see, this coin right now, the market cap is at 96,000. And if 96 million, sorry, 96 million. And if you see here, in 1 week, it did 952% increase. Okay. So that means it came from 10 million, 20 million, 30 million, 40 million, 50 million, 60 million, 70 million, 80 million. Now it's 90 million. Okay. So we understand that. So I think it's going to eventually, by the end of September 30th, be right at 200 million. So I'm going to load up on it. So if you click on the 1 hour, it dropped 10%, which is okay because I'm in it for a monthly. So when I back out to my portfolio, I have $5,000 in Bitcoin here, about 6,000. But Bitcoin, if you look at the week, didn't do good. The month only did 13%. So I'm going to convert all my Bitcoin to that coin. So watch me. So trade, convert. I'm going to convert Bitcoin to it's ACH, Alchemy coin. So I'm going to send all my Bitcoin. You know something? I'm going to leave $84 worth of Bitcoin just so that I can understand where the market of Bitcoin is. So I've just now converted Coinbase fee. Coinbase decided to not charge me. Now, understand, I know you can do it on Coinbase Pro, okay? That's not what's important here. What's important is that I bought that coin. That's what's important. So if you see, right here, you see Alchemy, I got 13,000, and I'm going to leave it. Now, two things will happen. All Alchemy is at 31 cents. No, at 3 cents, 0.03, okay? Let's just say it drops 50% and goes to 0.015. Okay? I will try to find another 10,000 and put in it. So in other words, I will keep adding on it because I believe if you look at the all-time high, it went to 4 cents. I believe it will touch 6 cents by the end of November. So I'm going to stay in it because I believe that it will give me another 150%, where Bitcoin will probably only give me about 20% and take me right up to 50,000. So that's why I believe in this coin. Okay. Now, what this coin is, if I click the official website and take it to it, you'll see Alchemy Pay right here. It's crypto and fiat payment gateway, meaning all different countries, by connecting this, will be able to use their cryptos and pay in the country. So 65 countries, 300 plus payment gateways. You see all these countries. You see United States is in here also, by the way, people, and all these other countries. And you see all these partners. Shopify is huge. Binance, Huobi, IO, Cello, Shopify again. And so you can use it with so many different applications. You could pay through the app, use the app, the POS system, the web, and with a debit card, a cryptocurrency debit card. So it's huge. And if you look, this coin right here, if we look at all time, it popped on the scene on September last year. So it's not even a year old yet. Okay. So I believe it's going to be doing numbers like it's been doing. And just today alone, it did 92%. So I'm in it. Let me screenshot so that you know where my portfolio is. That way I know where it's at. So right now I'm in it with about $12,974. I am Romeo the Professor. Follow me, subscribe. Thank you.